Honestly, truthfully, honestly. Okay, let me stop.
Fight, she get like 6 tattoos. If she was a city, she be Timbuktu. My holy ground with me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. My name is IANDRA, if you didn't know. And today we will be installing this unit right here. This unit is from So Good Hair. And it's giving me really good hair vibes. Okay. So if you guys are interested to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. But before we get to the video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, turn on your bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And let's get into the video. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into this video. My natural hair wanted to say hi. Haven't seen her in a minute, you know what I mean? I've been wearing wigs straight for like 2 months, which is crazy. I just be washing my hair, braiding it, and just putting on a new wig. So I noticed that my baby hairs are now grown hairs because they were not this long 2 months ago. But I mean, shit, I ain't complaining. So today we're going to be installing a unit from So Good Hair. So I'm really excited for that. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. Let's see. I haven't even opened it. And it's like, oh my god, okay. Okay, so you guys saw the box. The hair comes in this little bag, which is real cute or whatever. And then inside of the box, we have this, which to me, like when you see, is like a little kit with everything that you need. We're going to open it up and see exactly what comes in it. But this is what it looks like. I'm filming with daylight, so I'm sorry if the light fluctuates a lot today. But just bear with me, okay? So I'm just opening up this bag to see what comes in here because it's interesting. Okay, so this is what comes inside. Oh wow. I'm dropping everything today. So annoying. Oh my god, this is so cute. Hold on. Okay, I see you. So Good Hair. This is cute. So this is my little bonnet that says So Good Hair. Listen. You can never have enough bonnets, okay? Because I be losing mine all the time. So this is cute. It's like a nice silvery, not silver, blue satin cap. And it feels really nice. And I like the color. It's cute. It's cute. So, then we have another little purple bag. And inside of this, we have... So it comes with wig caps. These are too dark for me, but it's perfect for those that could use that color. And then they send you tweezers and a little like spool. Let's just call it a baby hair brush with some tweezers, bobby pins. Listen, you can never have enough bobby pins because I always be losing mine. So that's perfect. Then they sent me the black satin headband, and it says So Good Hair too, right? Yeah, it says So Good Hair. So that's cute. And then they also sent me some elastic band to sew on the wig if needed. So it looks like this. And they also sent me 4 additional, I'm guessing it's additional, 4 additional combs to also sew on the wig if necessary, if needed be. I don't really know if the wig comes with elastic band or if it comes with combs or not, but we want to see that. But they also sent me these 4. I don't remember the specs of the hair, but I'm pretty sure this is like an 18-inch body wave wig, and the density and stuff I'll just have it on the screen and in the description box down below. Don't forget to check that out. Okay, so this is basically the wig. It's an 18-inch body wave wig. I will have all the specs right here. Okay, the construction of the wig is basically a lace frontal wig. It comes with 4 combs, right? No, 3 combs. It comes with 3 combs. So it comes with 1 comb on each side, as you guys can see right here, and 1 in the middle. It comes with elastic band already sewn and attached to the wig. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots on this wig, and then fix my hair, braid it down, do everything I need to do, and then I'll be back to install the wig. finished installing the wig. So now basically what I'm gonna do is just style the hair, cut where I need to cut, and all that jazz. I am gonna be cutting the ends because, as you guys probably know, if you've seen any of my other wig videos, you guys know I like to cut my hair. I like to cut the ends of my hair just so it is fuller, like it looks full and nice at the bottom. Okay, the lighting is completely different because it's already getting dark and it's been like a couple of hours since, you know, last clip or whatever. So I am going to, I don't know if I want to do curls, if I want to do straight. I don't even know what I want to do. So I'm just gonna cut off this much like that, and it just instantly automatically looks fuller at the end, and we love that. We love a full wig. I'm still debating if I want to like pluck it a little bit more or if I want to leave it like this. I feel like I kind of want to leave it like this, but then I kind of feel like I want to pluck it a little bit more. Like, I don't really know what I want to do yet. But the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my curling iron and I'm just going to like flatten out the parting here, like the top. Wait, did I turn it off? No, I didn't. And I'm using my flat iron just because I don't have a hot comb right now. So you could use your hot comb for this. I would normally use my hot comb for this part. But the curling iron will do, hopefully. I need to get that new hot comb. Oh my god. Like I say, every time I do my hair, I'll be like, oh, I'm gonna order the hot comb. I'm gonna order my hot comb. Girl, I've said that shit like, what, weekly for like 2 months or something. So you guys know I like my look to be like pushed back. So I'm just pushing it back with the curling iron again. Like that. And I'm debating, I don't know if I want to do baby hairs or not. You guys already know this white part right here that you could see. It's only noticeable with my studio lights. In real life, you can't even see the lace. Like, the lace is melted to perfection. And another thing that I forgot to mention before I went ahead and bleached the knots is that the knots do come pre-bleached. I just wanted to bleach them a little bit more, but that's just my preference. So this wig is perfect. Like, this wig is so beginner friendly because it comes pre-bleached. I mean, it comes pre-plucked with bleached knots. As you guys saw, I don't know if I recorded that part, but I didn't really pluck the parting. I didn't pluck the hairline that much. I just plucked it a little bit here on the sides. So yeah, it's definitely a beginner friendly wig and we love that. I think I'm gonna try and do straight hair today. I'm gonna straighten the hair and see how I like it. If I don't like it straight, I'm gonna curl it. And so yeah, if I don't like it straight, I will be curling the hair, but I'm gonna just speed up this process, let you guys watch me, because if not, I'm never gonna finish this video today. So yeah, I mean, there's really nothing to explain. I'm just gonna straighten the hair. Like, there's nothing for me to say about it. I don't want to try and wrap up this video as quickly as possible just because it is extremely dark right now. I don't even like the lighting anymore. I burnt my forehead. I don't think I saw that, but I burnt my forehead, so I hate that. But obviously it wouldn't be you know, I feel like it wouldn't be a full dedicated tutorial if I didn't do my makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'll be back to like tell you guys the final thoughts and opinions and stuff on the hair. I straightened the hair as you guys saw, but then I went in and just curled it because the straight hair wasn't really doing it for me. But the curls though, baby, and I feel like it's holding the curls really nicely, which I like, obviously. So that's basically what I did. I kind of just curled the front properly, like this part right here, and then the back I only curled like the ends, so it's pretty much like these pieces right here are pretty much straight and they're just curled at the bottom. But that's, you know, like that's cute, whatever. And I'm not going out right now anyways, so that's basically that. I'm loving how this looks without baby hairs, and I'm loving the curls on this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs, do my makeup, come back. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, my darlings, let me stop. Okay, so I finished doing my makeup, as you guys can see. So this is the finished look. I feel like it looks way more put together now because, you know, I did my makeup and I look cute. I got my little jewelry on, you know, stuff like that. So that's cute, that's cute, that's cute. So this is the final look, you guys. I honestly love this hair. I'm loving how it's maintaining the curls, because obviously, you know, not all wigs can hold a curl. I really like how, like, my curls fell, but it fell into like the perfect look. You guys know I like that little messy, wavy type of body wave situation, and I love that it's giving me exactly that. I love the hair quality. I love the lace. I feel like the lace just blended in seamlessly with my skin. I didn't really do any like I didn't actually do baby hairs like that. I just took a little bit of the, you know, the grown hairs and just like made like a swoop, like a little swoop. You guys can see they're still pretty long, like it's actually, you know, the long grown hairs. But it's because I just didn't feel like cutting any baby hairs today, just because I don't know why. I just didn't feel like it. But I felt like this was cute. This is like a cute look, you know. I feel like I've covered everything that there is to say. I don't really have much shedding. As I did mention, the knots were pre-bleached and the unit was pre-plucked. I didn't do much plucking to it. I did bleach the knots though, again. But overall, I'm in love. I like how this looks. It's giving me grown woman vibes. Definitely. So don't forget to check out So Good Hair if you guys are interested in this unit. All the links will be in the description box down below. So don't forget to check that out before you guys leave. And yeah, you know, I'm feeling myself or whatever. Like, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to check out So Good Hair. All the links will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends and family, turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.